grams of cut on the brick of white. Had to bust a slash frenzy, I almost missed my flight. Digital crosshairs on the pistol sight. Blood dicky Superman, shit, I'm the kryptonite. Anti-heroes with villains and vigilantes. Feeling ants, crib worth $1 million, the ceiling's fence. Riding through downtown, then bumping Sister Nancy. Spinning, I'm stripping women out of expensive pants. Tom Clancy, Rainbow Six, posting flicks. Drifting the winter, they leave them frozen stiff. Get your noses fixed. I be covered in fresh clothes and kicks. Counting this money you get, host a strip. O's and bricks. Break them down like an explanation. Final destination, B, I'm seeing more than narrow and less debate. This shit get deep as an excavation. Blessed nation, 5%ers increasing our restoration. I had to take a breath and feel the bones in my body flesh. After the money stretch. For real. Fat pockets on flat. Yo, I'm doing good, baby, more or less. Peace out to my connect. And yo, gray matter, headshot, watch his brain splatter. Over the stove with this cocaine batter. Yo, dope loud as a bitch. When I twist, the window pane shatter. Lanes gather, politicking, but we ain't listen to the same data. Names scattered, agents listening close. Made a junkie on the mastodon clinic after missing they dose. I'm here to answer they wishes and hopes. Provide a service and sinking with our mission to gross illegal gender. Bullet shower, son, I blink. My enemies surrender. Parisian friends obsessed and ease with Brenda. Jesus Christ, I don't fuck with the Pharisees' agenda. Thieving men and these pretenders. I'm about to leave it, Amber's fire about to burn these niggas. Send them back to the essence, I'ma return these niggas. If it's paper, the conversation don't concern these niggas. Especially if nobody vouch to confirm these niggas. Yo,
for real, son.
I had to take a breath and feel the bones in my body flesh. After the money stretch.
After the money go.
Let's go. Fat pockets on flat. Yo, I'm doing good, baby, more or less. Peace out to my connect.
Then you need to give up the connect and let us handle shit, then, B.
Listen, man, my connect in China just got popped.
He's the connect. I don't want to fuck with this.
Oh, come on. I made contact with the connection.